Kidnerf, and today I have a really cool unboxing. What is it? Well, I'm looking at it. It's the Iron Fire Modulus. Let's open it up. Okay, so here it is. It's a small firearm, yeah, but it's pretty deadly. So the attachments it comes with is an extended barrel and an ammo clip right here on the top. Another cool, really cool part is the underbarrel attachments you guys can put in. Another thing is you reload it by opening the clip, the chamber, inserting the bullet. Pretty easy. And there you go. You got it locked and loaded. Now, as always, I have to warn you guys that you have to wear eye protection. You trust me, you really don't want to get hit in the eye by one of these darts. They fly fast and they hit hard, so you got to be careful. Safety first, right? Now, the ammo is included. These two attachments are included. Everything else is sold separately. Now, one thing is, when it comes to safety, you really have to protect yourself. You don't want to be a clown now, do you? No more clowning around. Hand me the briefcase.
You have no idea the forces you fight against, kid. It's not over yet. It's not over!
That was way too easy.
Expecting somebody else.
times to protect. Can't be that much. Let's see what we got. This is what it is. It's incredible. It's all mine.
Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. And to watch more Kidnerf content, just check on the screen on your left. I also want to give a special shout out and thanks to Senator Brian P. Stack and our good friend Commissioner Lucio Fernandez for the tremendous support. We also want to mention our go-to cameraman Brandon Medina, and to also check out his channel. He does great fan films. All that stuff will be in the link below, so don't forget to subscribe. The music was also brought to you by LooDLoopsKids. If you want to hear more great beats and content, just check on the link below. As always, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in your next video.